Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be 1,40,000 rupees build for gaming and streaming. That includes a monitor, by the way, 144 Hz. I'll take you through all the components and their pricing before I go ahead and start the build. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. The prices which I'm going to mention will be today's price. So let's begin with the component details which I'm going to use in this video. So this PC is for gaming and streaming. I get a lot of questions where people are asking for gaming and streaming PC. Now 1,40,000 is a good amount for gaming and stream PC. Now people are there who are looking for a gaming and streaming PC for 50-60,000 rupees. What is the difference between 60,000 rupees and spending 1.4 lakh for a gaming streaming for a YouTube career or YouTube gaming? See, understand, if someone is watching your gameplay, he really wants to enjoy the game. If in case you stream for 60,000 or 70,000 PC, you cannot take out the great output, the video output, and then render and then post it on the YouTube. Everything would not be that great, so the viewer will not enjoy it. If in case he is spending his time, he really want to see a good gameplay, the quality should be better also. Now if in case you are not able to deliver that quality video, the quality stream, he will switch to some other streamer. So that's because you really need a strong streaming PC if in case you want to grow in YouTube. So make sure you watch the video till the end so you're able to understand why I've selected the components. Starting with the cabinet, we have got Antec DA601, also known as Dark Avenger 601. This is a pretty decent looking case and with side tempered glass, 3-point USB on top. For more information, you can go ahead and check the link in the description box for detailed product information. For the processor, we're going to use 3600X. Make sure if in case you're going for a gaming and streaming PC, you should get the X version CPU. Even if in case you don't want to overclock, because the X version CPU has more base and boost clock, which will give you a better experience gaming. So we have got Ryzen 3600X. This is available for 20,399 rupees. For the motherboard, we have got MSI X570 Gaming Pro Carbon Wi-Fi. This is available for 23,950. I've got a request from the customer to use a premium motherboard, so this has been used, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and a very premium decent board. In future, you can really overclock this CPU as it is X version CPU after adding a liquid cooler. So this is for 23,950. For RAM, we have got G.Skill Trident Z RGB. This is 3200 MHz 8x2. On my previous video, I've already told you that always go for higher frequency RAM for Ryzen build. So in this build, again we're using 3200 MHz RAM, that is 8x2. This is RGB RAM and a very good performing RAM from G.Skill. For SSD, we have got Kingston 480 GB SSD. This is available for 4,100 rupees. And for more storage, we are gonna use Seagate FireCuda. This is 7200 RPM hybrid SSD for 8,000 rupees. For GPU, we have got MSI 2070 Super. This is available for 44,000 rupees. GPU is very important part for gaming, and if in case you can produce a quality video, quality output streaming that is very clear with gameplay, then definitely your subscriber will stick to you and wait for your next gameplay. So this is what we have got here, 2070 Super. For power supply, we have got Antec 750 watt bronze power supply. This is fully modular, available for 6,400 rupees. Earlier customer has selected the white series power supply, which was available for approx 5,300-200, but we have given an upgrade because the bronze would be suitable for this build. And of course, this is fully modular, that would really increase the aesthetic of this PC. So yeah, it's a small upgrade to you if in case you're watching the video. So yeah, so we have got 750 watt fully modular bronze series for 6,400 rupees. For the monitor, we have got MSI 24 inches. This is Optix MAG241C. This is a curved display with 144 Hz, 1 millisecond response time, AMD FreeSync, and lot more. I'll share the link in the description box below. You can go ahead and check more details about this. Definitely you should check out this monitor once. Available for 18,200 rupees. And yeah, we're done with the components, so let's go ahead and begin with the PC build. Do check the link in the description box below for more details about the price and the product information. So let's just go ahead and begin the PC build. The stock cooler comes with pre-applied thermal paste, so you don't have to add it additionally. Alright, so we're done with the PC build. 1,40,000 rupees streaming PC along with MSI monitor. By the way, this is not the MSI monitor, this is my monitor which I have used to install the Windows and other stuff. So yeah, we cannot open the new monitor best as we have to ship it in a sealed condition. So that's about the video. I've shared the Geekbench and Cinebench test on your screen. I think you have checked it already. All the product links are mentioned in the description box below, so do go ahead and check that link because the prices may change in future if in case you're watching the video in future. Also do check out our Instagram page for latest update about our channel. Thank you for watching till the end, and if in case you have any questions, do let us know via email or you can call us directly. The phone numbers are available on techmartunbox.com contact us page. I'll share the link for that as well. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.